Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a video on accounting insurance, a must-have insurance policy for accounting professionals to alleviate their risks. To begin with, accountants or accounting firms help their clients to mitigate financial risks. However, these professionals also deal with plenty of risks while providing services to their clients. You need to make sure to analyze all your risks and provide complete coverage so you can provide services without any hindrances. Accountants have to be very careful with their work as their small mistakes can cost their clients millions. Clients might end up suing them for these costly mistakes. Here are other risks that accountants might face. Claims related to negligence, data breach and data leak, property damage, employee-related claims, and failure to detect financial irregularities. Now let me introduce you to accounting insurance. Accountant insurance is a commercial insurance policy that protects independent accountants and accounting firms from all the risks and uncertainties associated with the financial industry. This policy is essential for professionals such as independent accountants, accounting firms, certified public accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers, and enrolled agents. Talking about the policies that accountants need, there are several insurance policies that they need to protect themselves and their firms. I will walk you through all of these policies one by one and give you all the details. Let's begin with professional liability insurance. This policy provides coverage for omissions, actual or alleged errors/mistake, professional negligence or claims of negligence, and breach of duty. It also covers any legal fees, defense costs, and settlements for lawsuits arising from professional mistakes. For example, an accountant was held liable for the misrepresentation of numbers on the financial statements of a firm. This policy will cover all the costs resulting from the incident. The second one is commercial general liability insurance. It covers your business from damages of third-party claims such as bodily injury, property damage, and personal injury. For example, this policy will cover your costs like medical expenses and legal fees resulting from a third-party claim in case of a lawsuit. Then we have commercial property insurance. This policy provides coverage to the property owned by the business, such as the building or office space, personal property, computers, furniture, and equipment. It also covers these properties in the event of fire, vandalism, or other uncertainties. For instance, an electric short circuit in your office burned a few furniture. This policy will cover all the losses resulting from the fire. The next one is commercial auto insurance. It provides coverage to the auto that a business owns for damages in case of an accident. The coverage includes property and medical expenses. For example, your employee crashes the firm's car while driving to the office. This policy will cover all the losses. Next up we have business interruption insurance. This policy provides coverage when there is an interruption in the income-generating operations in the business. For example, a fire at your office forced you to shut your office for a few days. This policy will cover the loss of income that you incurred due to the closure. Moving on to business owner's policy. This policy is a combination of commercial general liability, commercial property insurance, and business interruption insurance. It includes the following coverages: third-party liability coverage, property coverage, and business interruption coverage. For instance, one of your employees mistakenly spills hot coffee on your client. This policy will cover all the losses for you. Cyber liability insurance is another important policy for accounting professionals. This policy covers losses from data breaches and cyber attacks. The losses can be in terms of cost of communication to clients, data restoration, legal fees, and third-party damages. Cyber liability insurance is essential for accountants as they usually hold sensitive data like financial statements, credit card numbers, social security numbers, and other information. Then we have workers' compensation insurance. This policy provides benefits to employees in case of a work-related injury. This policy is mandatory in most states. Its benefits include medical bills, lost wages, funeral costs, and legal fees. Employment practices liability insurance is also important coverage for accounting businesses. This policy protects accounting firms from employee-related claims. Employee-related claims include harassment, discrimination, and wrongful termination. For example, one of your employees sues your firm for workplace discrimination. This policy will cover your losses from this claim. Fiduciary liability insurance is another unique insurance coverage essential for accountants. Accountants have a fiduciary duty towards their client as an investment advisor, trustee, attorney, and personal representative of an estate. This policy will protect you from lawsuits arising from your fiduciary duties. For example, your advice regarding an investment project turned out to be fatal for your client, and thus, he sued for the losses he incurred. Fiduciary liability insurance will keep you covered in this scenario. Finally, we have commercial umbrella insurance. This policy is an extension on coverages of other liability policies. This policy covers you when the cost of a third-party claim exceeds the limit